Women CEO Club Pakistan by CEO Club Pakistan. And I am not telling you anything because I am with one of the lady hero of mine in front of me. So please meet Rahila Narejo, who is the head strategy and learning in PSTD.
Yes.
How are you, Rahila?
Well, I wasn't so good before, but when I met you right now, it just made my day. Such a bright personality and full of energy.
Rahila, tell me, what is women empowerment as per you?
Women empowerment, I feel like it's an overdone word, empowerment.
Okay.
And we use this word as if we're doing women a favor.
Okay.
There's no favor.
Woo!
Allah Ta'ala brought woman into this world already empowered. So we need to start disempowering.
Okay.
We were already born empowered.
Yes.
But unfortunately, society, culture, the way the world is operated, we take away the power. Women are so strong. There's not a stronger creature on this planet when you compare the other half. Men in comparison to women, it's just no comparison. The strength, the resilience that women bring, not just
And
for
apart the
themselves.
beauty, like the smile, the confidence which a woman carries is like unmatchable to any sort of gender. Na?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Rahila, how do you think, because you're such a hero for so many young girls, what do you think how a young girl can empower herself?
That's a good question. How good. You see, as a young girl, you really are influenced by the society, the environment that you're being brought up in. So in the home, it starts in the home. We look for role models.
Yes.
But unfortunately, sometimes in our immediate circle, in the home or family, we don't find those role models that we can emulate.
Yes.
But in this world today, in the world of the internet, young girls do not need to restrict themselves anymore. You can make anyone your role model. You can make anyone your mentor. Only thing stopping you is your own aspiration. It's your own goals. It's your own dreams.
Rahila, I so connect with this. For example, for my homemaking thing, someone else is my mentor. For my bringing up my kids, someone else is my mentor.
Absolutely.
For my corporate, someone entirely else is my mentor. And for my sales thing, somebody else is my mentor. So I really strongly agree with you that we need to pick up those mentors for us.
Yes, and they don't have to know that they're your mentor. All you have to do is stalk them, watch what they're doing, learn from them, study them, and emulate them.
Yes.
So any young girl who says that, I don't have opportunity, I don't know what to do, you need to stop that negative thinking. And the world is your oyster, literally, because of the way we have technology and the internet. Nothing should stop you except your own thinking. Unfortunately, हमारी सोच ही हमें रोक लेती है.
Thank you so much, Rahila. Okay, now tell me, if there is a woman idealized by you, 3 qualities you see in her.
That I
Idealize in a woman.
So many times I have stopped myself because of that self-doubt. So I really admire a woman who can overcome that and just keeps going despite.
And then keep believing on her own self. Woo! Do you believe in misogyny?
Misogyny? Not really. I don't
Same
believe.
here.
I don't.
Same here. Same here.
I think it's an excuse. It's an
Agreed.
excuse.
Even women can do the misogyny. Women could be the misogynist as
Yes,
well. So it
exactly.
depends on the person's entirely, I guess.
Absolutely, absolutely.
I so want to do it more, Rahila. So I am so looking forward to receive you at my Karachi summit. I'm telling you the day. And at Management House.
Inshallah. Looking
And
forward. Such a
Keep
pleasure.
on inspiring young girls. It's a duty on you.
Inshallah. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.